One of the most overlooked warning signs on a home is a leaning or cracking chimney. A lot of homeowners notice small gaps forming near the chimney or cracks in the brick and assume it's just a normal aging process. But in many cases, your chimney is actually one of the first parts of the house to show signs of foundation movement. And the reason's simple. Chimneys are freaking heavy. They're very heavy. They put a tremendous amount of pressure on the soil beneath them, and when the soil starts moving or settling unevenly, the chimney often reacts before the rest of the house does. That's why leaning chimneys should never be ignored. Sometimes the issue is cosmetic. Other times it can become a serious structural and safety concern. One of the most common things we see is separation between the chimney and the house. You might notice a visible gap forming where the chimney meets the siding or stucco. You may also see cracking bricks, deteriorating mortar joints, or sections of the chimney beginning to tilt slightly. Those are all signs that movement may be occurring underneath the structure. And unfortunately, the longer it goes untreated, the worse it usually becomes. A chimney isn't designed to flex and move the way other parts of the house can. So even relatively small amounts of settlement can create visible damage very quickly. Now, not every chimney problem is caused by foundation settlement. Weather also plays a huge role. Chimneys are constantly exposed to moisture, temperature swings, heat, and seasonal expansion and contraction. Over time, bricks and mortar begin to deteriorate. Water intrusion can weaken the chimney structure even further, especially if cracks are already present. In colder conditions, freeze-thaw cycles can make those cracks expand even faster. That's why regular chimney inspections are so important. Small issues caught early on are usually much easier and less expensive to repair than major structural failures later on. Another thing homeowners don't always realize is that chimney problems can affect more than just the exterior appearance of the house. A damaged chimney can create ventilation issues, moisture intrusion, fire hazards, and even carbon monoxide risks if left unaddressed. That's why we always recommend having a professional evaluate any signs of cracking, leaning, separation, or deterioration. At Dalinghaus Construction, when we inspect a chimney, we're not just looking at the bricks themselves, we're looking at the entire system. We want to understand what caused the movement in the first place. Is the soil settling? Is moisture getting underneath the foundation? Is the chimney pulling away from the structure? Has the movement stabilized or is it still active? Because simply patching cracks without addressing the underlying cause usually leads to the problem coming back. In some situations, chimney repairs may involve rebuilding damaged sections, repointing mortar joints, improving drainage, or sealing water intrusion areas. In more serious cases involving settlement, the foundation itself may need stabilization before chimney repairs can even begin. That's why getting the right diagnosis matters so much. A lot of homeowners always ask when the best time is to repair a chimney. Generally speaking, spring and summer are ideal because dry and mild weather allows repair materials to cure properly and give contractors better access to the exterior structure. But honestly, if you're seeing major warning signs now, it's best not to wait. Ignoring chimney movement can eventually lead to more expensive structural repairs and bigger safety concerns. The good news is that many chimney issues can be repaired successfully when caught early. And beyond the structural side, chimney repairs can also improve curb appeal, energy efficiency, and even long-term home value. If you've noticed chimney cracks, leaning, gaps, deteriorating mortar, or signs of settlement around your home, it's a good idea to have it professionally evaluated before the damage progresses further. At Dalinghaus Construction, we help homeowners throughout Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada identify the real cause of chimney movement and foundation issues so they can make informed decisions about protecting their home. If you have concerns about your chimney or foundation, contact us today for a free inspection. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.